Hey, are you a stylist or becoming one that doesn't like cutting because you don't fully understand it? Or maybe you find cutting a chore and you want to change that to become a passion of yours? My name is Akshu, Creative Director at Eccentric, and I'm very pleased to welcome you to Essential Cutting Mastery course, inspired by the Sassoon Cutting Methodology. When I started hairdressing, I didn't really understand how to cut and I was doing it more by the feel, so I wasn't consistent with cutting. But my world changed when I attended Sassoon Academy in London. And ever since I have become passionate about cutting and sharing my knowledge with others. Essential Cutting Mastery course is designed to teach you how to translate clients' requests into cutting techniques and to design haircuts that suits their unique features. You will learn the essential techniques and shapes and how and when to use them. You'll get hands-on experience cutting salon-friendly hairstyles with technical drawing, giving you the confidence to take on any client's request. Our small class sizes ensures that you receive personalized attention from me. We want to empower you to sharpen your existing skills and gain new ones so that you can take your cutting masteries to the next level. Join us today and become an essential cutting master.